Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about Poila Baisakh makeup look. Poila Baisakh is the Bengali New Year which is celebrated by the Bengalis in India and all over the world. To see how I created this look, don't forget to watch the video till the end, and if you like my video then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends and family. Also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will give my Instagram handle on the screen and in the description box as well. First of all, I'm starting with skincare, and here I'm using Good Vibes Pomegranate Glow Toner. I will spray it all over my face and my neck. After the toner, I will use this Saffron Day Cream. This is also from Good Vibes. It is one of my favorite cream and it moisturizes the face very well. If you have normal and dry skin, then definitely you can use this in summer, but don't use it during winters because it becomes little bit greasy. Now I am using a primer. This is Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. I am using it all over my face and neck, but I will concentrate mostly on my T-zone area because that is where I crease a lot. And to moisturize my lips, I am going to use Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. Now it's time to fill the eyebrows, and with the help of editing, I filled my eyebrows in a click. After this, I will use a concealer around my eyebrows and on my eyelid area. The concealer which I am using here is Lakme Absolute White Intense Concealer. My shade is 01. I am using it around my eyebrows and on my eyelid area so that I could enhance my eyebrows and hide the darkness which I have on my eyelid. This will make the eyeshadow color more visible. To set the concealer, I am using a compact. The compact is from Lakme 9 to 5 range primer plus matte powder foundation, and my shade is 01 Ivory Creme. Now it's time for eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow I'm using Nika K birthday cake eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this red shade on a big fluffy brush and I will apply it at the outer corner of my eyes. I will apply it till the time I won't get my desired color. I'm smudging this shade only on the outer corner. I'm not taking it towards my crease line. So I'm only blending it at my outer corner in a kind of V shape as you can see here. Now on the same brush I will take this light brown shade from Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I will blend this shade on my crease line. Since I have hooded eyes, so I don't have a crease line, so I am trying to make a fake crease line here. After this I am taking this glittery bronze shade, and with the help of my finger I will apply it on my lid area. Now what I am doing here is that I will take little bit of concealer at the back of my hand, and with a concealer brush I will clean the outer edge of my eyes. Since I have droopy hooded eyes, I can never get a straight crisp line of my eyeshadow, and tape method doesn't work well with me because I have two different eye shapes. So if you have eyes like me, then you can definitely use this method. If you don't have a concealer, then you can use a foundation to clean the outer edge of your eyeshadow. And now you can see how easily I got the straight line on both of my eyes. And now comes my favorite part, that is applying glitter on the eyes. Whenever there is festive season, I can never go without a glitter. So this is a liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty and the shade is 10. I will apply it all over my eyelid area where I applied that powder glittery eyeshadow, and I will use my tiny finger to blend the edges. Now coming back to my base makeup, the foundation which I am using is Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte foundation. My shade is 120 warm creme. I will dot it all over my face and then I will use a buffing brush to buff the foundation into my skin. Now to highlight my under eye area and hide little bit of darkness which I have, I am using the same concealer which I used on my lid area, and with the help of a concealer brush I will blend this concealer into my skin. Now I am using the same Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte powder foundation on my under eye area and all over my face to set my base makeup. Now to get some warmth back on my face, I am using this contouring shade from Sugar Face palette in the shade 01. I will apply it on the hollow of my cheeks and on my jawline as well. Now I am taking this blusher shade from the same Sugar Face palette and I am applying it on the apple of my cheeks. To highlight the high points of my face, I am taking the highlighter shade which is present in the Sugar Face palette and I am applying it on the usual areas, that is the cheekbones, bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow, chin area, my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes. Now I am coming back towards my eye makeup and I am lining my lower waterline with Chambord Kajal. I am creating a not very thick but not very thin line here, and to line my upper lash line I will use Color Bar Felt Tip Eyeliner pen. Now it's time for the lipstick, and the lipstick which I am using here is Faces Canada Weightless Matte Finish Lipstick. My shade is Royal Maroon. I will complete my eye makeup with mascara, which I always forget to apply in my videos. The mascara which I am using is Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. This is the washable version. If you want, you can go for the waterproof version as well. Both the versions are easily available and affordable. This is the final look, guys. I completed my makeup with the makeup setting spray from Faces Canada, which I forgot to shoot. I made a bun of my hair. I'm wearing my Chand Balis and the Banarsi sari, which is the trademark of every Bengali ritual and festival. So please let me know in the comment box what you liked and what you didn't like. If you like my video and this makeup look, don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, and share my videos with your friends and family, and stay tuned for more such videos. I will very soon meet you with my new videos. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you all. Shubho Nobo Varsho.